तो हे गाइस, हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। तो आज कुछ अलग बाइक आने वाली है हमारे चैनल पे। अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा एथर वाला व्लॉग देखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि दैट बाइक इज सो एक्सपेंसिव टू बाय एंड सो एक्सपेंसिव टू मेंटेन। आज हम लोग लेकर आए हैं उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव। तो आज होगा एक इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक फ्रॉम बैटरी कंपनी। हम लोग चलाने वाले हैं बैटरी कंपनी का वन, ONE। द मॉडल नेम इज वन। सो अभी निकलते हैं, जाते हैं शोरूम, बैटरी के शोरूम पे, और वहां से उठाते हैं बैटरी वन एंड उसका राइड करेंगे। आई हैव हर्ड कि उसका जो बैटरी कैपेसिटी है दैट इज वेरी बिग एज कम्पेयर टू एथर, और इट कैन गो अप टू 100 किलोमीटर इफ यू ऑप्ट फॉर द मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी बैटरी। तो चलो जाते हैं बैटरी की शोरूम पे एंड वहां पे आगे की बात करते हैं। सो आई विल सी यू ऑन द रोड।
Let me tell you about the features of this bike. This bike can do 100 kilometers at one charge if you opt for it. So there are three battery options. One is 24 AH ka battery, and then other is 30 AH, and then other is 40 AH. So least you can do is 70 kilometers. So on 40 AH battery you can go up to 100 kilometers, and this bike is super smooth, super duper smooth. It can cruise very easily. Suspension are good, not very soft, but between soft and firm. So your handling is good because of those firm suspension. And I mean, it looks retro. Everything on this has a good fit and finish. So that was the horn, and it has a good regenerative braking system as well. So while you brake, your गाड़ी gets charged. One thing I noticed that the footboard is little higher. I guess that footboard is not that high as this much, but yes, I feel this you will have to like put your step up to be on the footboard. And while we wait for the signal to turn green, let me show you, this is your USB charger right here. So you can charge your phone, your peripherals, GoPro in our case, and you can put your bottle or mobile phone while you charge. Here you have your tray. It turned green. Everyone will look at it, because this is not a usual electric scooter which runs on the road, and it will grab attention definitely. This is a fun to ride motorcycle because no vibration and no motor sound which you get in standard petrol engine. We have a beautiful sunset right ahead of us, and like we are protecting the nature as well, because EV, these handle grips, brake levers, all of these feel pretty good. For braking, we have disc in front and up at the back also, so no corner cuts on braking department. You can brake and rely on it. Tires are sticky too. I'm not sure what tires are these, but they are sticky, and you can rely on it. This will boost your confidence as it is boosting mine. So for city commutes and your day-to-day office traveling, this will be a very good option, because this can run up to 100 kilometers on its top battery, that is 40 AH. The unit it consumes is about 2 to 3 units per charge. So your monthly average bill will be around 500 rupees. So that is very cheap compared to our petrol prices right now, which is 92 rupees currently. Moving to electric will be a very good option. I'm enjoying this motorcycle, man. This makes no sound at all other than the road noise. But man, this motorcycle is very, very interesting. I know that this does not compare with the Ather, but you don't have other options in the market right now. So Ather is very, very expensive, and it does not like, it offers you more on a premium and everything. So on this bike is a lot cheaper than Ather. This comes with an additional roadside assistance. Your bike happens to break down on a road while you are traveling, you can call up to an toll-free RSA number, and then they'll come to fix your motorcycle if they can there. But if not, then they'll take your bike to the nearest service station, and then that service station will fix the bike for you. So I mean, yeah, you can look at it. This has so many features, so many of them.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla, swolla.
So this is the dashboard right here. It is pretty basic. Here you have your charging indicator, then you have your volt, how much volt it is, and then you have trip meter. So it is right now on 4 kilometers, so we rode 4 kilometers, then your mode, and then your speed. This is how it looks. Here it is saying that you are ready to go. Your headlight, if it is high beam, low beam, then you have your indicators, right and left. So indicator is pretty basic, and then you press this to cancel it. This is how horn works. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, this motorcycle also have a reverse. So if you press this, it says R. If you press this and then you excel, the bike will go backwards. So no problem if you are on a inclined or declined surface, and you are trying to back your motorcycle up, so you don't have to like exert yourself. This bike can pretty much do it for you. So this is how you change your battery. Yes. So unlock the seat code. It is very, very easy to change the battery motorcycle. Remove one, put the another, connect the plug, put back the lid, and you are good to go. You have another charged battery. So we didn't run out of battery on this, but for the demonstration purpose we are changing it on road. If you call roadside assistance, then this might happen with you. So this guy came, changed my battery. This is 100% charged, and you are very like good to go. Another 100 kilometers on it.
He is the owner of Navi Mumbai dealership. So we'll confirm about the pricing of both the motorcycles. So can you please let us know what is the price of LOEV, sorry.
सो बैटरी में दो मॉडल्स है, बैटरी वन एंड लो ईवी. तो लो ईवी का जो प्राइसिंग स्टार्टिंग है वो 24H बैटरी जो 67,000 है. आपको रेंज 50 to 60 किलोमीटर्स मिलता है. तो जैसा आप बैटरी लोगे वैसा आपका प्राइस बढ़ता है. तो बैटरी ऑप्शंस रहेगा आपको 24H, 30H, 40H. उसी तरह बैटरी वन में भी 72,000, प्राइसिंग स्टार्ट होता है उसमें भी आपको 24 एज 30 एज एंड 40 एज का बैटरी ऑप्शन है।